It's a good mushu. Good mushu. Bonjour and welcome to Fromage Garden. I'm Monsieur Fromage. Today is the second day of January and we are right in the middle of constructing a temporary additional greenhouse slash hothouse for the winter. Let's go, Mushu. Okay, the materials that we use for making this hoop house is a clear plastic of 4 millimeters. This is a 6 foot wide by 100 foot. That is enough for this 9 foot by 9 foot hoop house. And then on top of that, we have these from Dewitt, the size 12 by 10, the N-sulate, any type of frost protection, and I like it with the white. Sometimes you can find them in different colors like green or black, but I prefer the white because you need sunlight to get through in your hoop house. 3/4 PVC schedule 40s, and we bought 7 10-foot pieces, so that would be 70 feet. Then we had 2 90s for the ends and 2 T's for the center. Also, we got some clamps. We actually went to Harbor Freight and got these for like little over 80 cents a piece. I got like 21 of them to cover everything that we need. On the bottom for the support into the ground, we got the 3/8 by 2 foot rebar sticks. And we put 1 foot minimum into the ground with a little bit over the top, like about a foot or so on top, and that is actually inside of the PVC pipe. Okay, we got the other sides on. We used 2 6 foot wide by 8 foot long, or actually a little more, maybe about 10 foot long, just to make sure we got enough slack on the sides. And then we started with the fabric and just used the clamps to help hold it while we stretch it over. That is why we wanted a 10 by 12, so that we have enough slack on the bottom and to go a little bit over extra on the top, and then we'll do the same on the next side. Okay, this is the completed greenhouse slash hothouse. Like I said, it is only temporary, so it is fully enclosed. We did not decide to build like a door frame, so very easy. We use these clamps, so if you need additional clamps to work onto the PVC, you can, and we will get inside. And we kind of have it folded over so it overlaps. And here we are inside the final greenhouse. It is 54 degrees outside, and inside right here it's about 3 p.m. It's 60 degrees inside of here. So we have all our plants. We had to do some modifications because it was just putting too much tension and was breaking the fittings. So we had to do it there, and there, and there. But as you can see, this is a temporary greenhouse, and at night we actually have a heater that we use. This is just for ideas for you personally, but I have a heater and I like to put it on this so it's elevated, so in case it does rain or anything. And we'll turn this on. nice warm. And just in case, if say something happens, it falls over, perfect, it shuts off. So you don't have to worry about any problems with fire happening with it. So it is a very good one. We have used it in the smaller greenhouse, and like this morning it was a nice 85 to 90 degrees, like at 9-10 o'clock in the morning, when it was 40 to 50 degrees outside. So very good. So that is it for Fromage Gardens. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. If you have any questions about your own personal temporary greenhouse / hothouse, hey, you can ask me. Like I said, a lot of it is experimental, but so far it's been really good with a lot of things. So have a good new year and see you next time on Fromage Gardens.